Black Friday board game deals for 2025. Save on family fun. Black Friday is nearly here, and beyond the tech and electronics, some of the best deals are on board games. These tabletop experiences are a classic way to spend time with family and friends during the holidays, offering hours of entertainment at a fraction of the cost. Here's a look at the top board game discounts available right now, with more expected to drop in the coming days. Cooperative gaming. Horrified. American Monsters. The latest edition of Horrified features iconic dungeons and AMP. Dragons Monsters, Beholder, Displacer Beast, Mimic, and Red Dragon. This cooperative game challenges players to work together to defeat these creatures and protect the land. The unpredictable nature of the monsters and the need for teamwork make each playthrough unique. Horrified is a standout example of how modern board games can create tense, engaging experiences even in cooperative play. The shifting challenges keep players on their toes, ensuring no two games feel the same. Family fun. Chameleon. For families who enjoy a good laugh, Chameleon is a brilliant game of deception. One player secretly receives the Chameleon card, while the others know the shared word. The Chameleon must blend in by guessing what the others are thinking, making it a hilarious test of bluffing and observation. This game taps into a growing trend of social deduction games that prioritize fun over complex strategy, perfect for casual players. App-assisted gaming. Movie Mania. The trend of app-integrated board games continues with Movie Mania. The game plays clips from movie soundtracks, challenging players to guess the film within 15 seconds. This format appeals to movie buffs and adds an interactive element beyond traditional tabletop gaming. The integration of technology in board games reflects a broader shift towards hybrid entertainment, blending physical and digital components for a more immersive experience. Additional Black Friday deals. While board games are the focus, here are some other notable Black Friday discounts. Apple AirPods Pro 3, $219.99 was $249. Apple iPad 11, $274 was $349. Sony WH-1000 XM5 headphones, $248 was $399.99. Blink Outdoor 4 security cameras, $159.99 was $399.99. Why these deals matter. Black Friday board game deals aren't just about saving money, they're about strengthening family connections. In an increasingly digital world, tabletop games offer a rare opportunity for shared, screen-free entertainment. The rising popularity of cooperative and social deduction games suggests a desire for more interactive, human-centered experiences. Whether you're looking for a challenging strategic game or a lighthearted family activity, Black Friday presents an ideal time to stock up on board game essentials.